Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important case on bogus purchases. In the present case, a very pertinent issue was before the Honorable Bombay High Court was that if there is some allegation on the assessee that the assessee has done some bogus purchases in respect of packaging material and there is finding both by the assessing officer and the CIT appeal that the alleged packaging material was used throughout the year by the assessee for the various purposes of the assessee, and there was no doubt about the sales of the final product. So whether in that case the total amount of addition by the AO is justified or the addition on the basis of alleged bogus purchases to some extent of percentage is justified. This issue has been taken up by the Honorable Bombay High Court in the case of Principal Commissioner of Income Tax versus Yog Oil Traders, and this case is reported in 483 ITR at page number 705, and the date of the judgment is 5th July 2023. The present case relates to the assessment year 10-11. In the present case, there was allegation on the assessee that the assessee has done bogus purchases in respect of packing material. When the assessment proceedings were going on, the assessing officers somehow recorded a finding that the packing material was available with the assessee, and the AO has verified the consumption of the material, and it has also been given the finding by the AO that the packing material has been used by the assessee throughout the year. But somehow the assessing officer made the addition of 100% of the bogus purchases, and when the matter was before the CIT appeal, the CIT appeal also gave a finding that there was no question of any purchase made by the assessee that can be termed as bogus. But very strangely, the CIT appeal stated that a part of the packing material is to be disallowed, and the CIT appeal ultimately disallowed the 7% of the alleged bogus purchases of packing material. The assessee was contesting, and the revenue was also contesting the matter before the tribunal, and when the tribunal heard the matter, the tribunal said that in the present case both the lower authorities has not doubted the availability of the packing material with the assessee. Both the authorities has not doubted the consumption of the packing material by the assessee throughout the year, and vis-a-vis has given a finding that the packing material was available and it was consumed by the assessee throughout the year. Apart from that, the CIT appeal confirming the addition up to 7% is not justified. The revenue took this matter to the High Court, and the High Court also said that the deletion of the addition by the tribunal is justified and there was no cause that the disallowance should be resolved. The High Court said that there is no infirmity in the order of the tribunal by deleting the addition made by the CIT appeal up to 7%. Friends, it is a very normal practice by the assessing officers that whenever they get some information, then they are carried away by the information. They do not doubt the sales made by the assessee. They do not reject the books of accounts, and in many cases it has been seen that they add the whole amount of the purchases and the huge demands are created, and sometimes it has been seen that some arbitrary rate of some percentage based addition is being made, which are being confirmed by the CIT appeals. So it has to be seen that when there is categorically finding that the material has been used by the assessee and there is no doubt about the sales of the assessee, and the assessee is able to demonstrate that the material is available with the assessee and it has been constantly used in the production of the assessee, then the addition on the basis of percentage is also not justified. Friends, this case is very important in dealing with the cases of the bogus purchases. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Principal Commissioner of Income Tax versus Yog Oil Traders, and this case is reported in 483 ITR at page number 705, and the matter has been decided by Honorable Bombay High Court on 5th July 2023.